Folks, we're quickly approaching the end of 2020. I don't know about y'all. This old boy ready to see it gone. COVID, lockdowns, horrible things happening. I got a little video. I wasn't even gonna show y'all. It was so insignificant. But you know, I got to thinking, every now and then you get a small victory. You might as well share it with the world. Here's my easiest repair of 2020. Thanks for taking a look. Woo, woo! I gotta get back to work. I just come in. I'd been up to the house. My wife said if I didn't have nothing to do, I could help her. I decided now's a good time to work on this saw. I need to work on this saw right doggone now. I hate working on a chainsaw, but you got to. This will come in here, he say he got it for free, but it won't take throttle. And crank point, bust off good. He said it'll idle. But you go give it throttle, it sounds like it wants to bog down. We'll give her a little choke. Hit that old primer button a few times. See what she got. Chain brake locked on. All you have to do is pull the handle back. A lot of times you get one, and they don't want to take throttle. First thing I like to do is take a look at that muffler. That sparker rust inside get clogged up. Choke that thing down. It can't exhale. It's breathing in, taking fuel with it, can't breathe out. Next thing I like to check the fuel lines. Make sure I don't have any holes or cracks in it. Make sure the fuel filter is on there and not clogged up. Then I move on to the carburetor. After that, keep digging. But this one, chain brake, hey, might be the easiest fix of the year. Oh man. I guess I gotta go head back. Hey, y'all got anything out of this? How about one of them there thumbs up? Lord knows. Subscribe ain't gonna hurt you now. I appreciate it. We'll see y'all in the shop next time. Doggone nasty sock.